English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills.
Speak English.
Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Run out of.
Oh no, I need to make a cake. But I ran out of sugar. I don't have any at home.
Me too. I ran out of eggs this morning. Let's find the baking aisle.
Good idea. Wow, this store is huge. There are so many things.
I know, it's easy to get lost. Look, there is the sugar.
Perfect. And the eggs are right there. This is convenient.
Yes, it is. Do you need anything else?
I think that's it for me. Let's go pay.
Okay. I'm glad we came to the store together.
Me too. It's more fun. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
Ran out of. To finish all of something, to not have more. Example. I ran out of water, so I need to buy more.
I ran out of money.
I ran out of pride when I ran out of cars.
I ran out of strawberries.
Ran out of eggs.
Ran out of fish.
Ran out of food.
Ran out of gas. Ran out of paper.
Ran out of stationery.
We ran out of money.
Convenient. Easy to use, good because it saves time or effort. Example. This bus stop is convenient because it's near my house.
Convenient.
Convenient.
Convenient. Sounds convenient.
That's convenient.
Too convenient.
Very convenient.
That's it. Used when you don't need or want anything more. Example. I only want one sandwich. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. That's it. Gus, I'm...
That's it. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So, watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud. Oh no, I need to make a cake, but I ran out of sugar. I don't have any at home. Did Alex need to make bread? No, he didn't need to make bread. Did Alex need to make a cake? Yes, he did. He needed to make a cake. Did Alex have sugar at home? No, he didn't. He didn't have sugar at home. What did Alex run out of? Sugar. He ran out of sugar.
Me too. I ran out of eggs this morning. Let's find the baking aisle.
Did Sally run out of milk this morning? No, she didn't. She didn't run out of milk. What did Sally run out of? Eggs. She ran out of eggs. Good idea. Wow, this store is huge. There are so many things. Did Alex and Sally go to the library? No, they didn't. They didn't go to the library. Where did they go? To the store. They went to the store. Did Alex say the store was small? No, he didn't. He said the store was huge. What did Alex say about the store? He said it was huge.
I know, it's easy to get lost. Look, there is the sugar.
Did they find the sugar? Yes, they did. They found the sugar. Perfect. And the eggs are right there. This is convenient. Where were the eggs? Right there. The eggs were right there. Did Alex say this is inconvenient? No, he didn't say this is inconvenient. He said this is convenient.
Yes, it is. Do you need anything else?
I think that's it for me. What did Alex say to express that he doesn't need anything else? He said, I think that's it for me. Did Alex need anything else? No, he didn't. He didn't need anything else. Let's go pay.
Okay. I'm glad we came to the store together.
Me too. It's more fun. What did they decide to do after shopping? Go pay. They decided to go pay. Did Alex and Sally enjoy shopping together? Yes, they did. They enjoyed shopping together. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin. Oh no, I need to make a cake, but I ran out of sugar. I don't have any at home. Good idea. Wow, this store is huge. There are so many things. Perfect. And the eggs are right there. This is convenient. I think that's it for me. Let's go pay. Me too. It's more fun.
Me too. I ran out of eggs this morning. Let's find the baking aisle. I know, it's easy to get lost. Look, there is the sugar. Yes, it is. Do you need anything else? Okay. I'm glad we came to the store together.
Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys! Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.